Warning, warning, no oil pressure, no oil pressure.
Checking for oil pressure. None. Okay, watching the oil pressure, see what it's gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna start it again. I'm gonna be checking the oil pressure. Good morning, and my Jeep update, Sunday morning. I believe it's the 23rd. And yeah, I got kind of bad news. I could not get any oil pressure after I got everything back together and I turned it over. And as you saw in the first clips, I could not get oil pressure. And I did run the engine a couple times for short periods, and I'm hoping I didn't tear anything up in there. I'm going back in it. I've already drained the oil, and later today I'm gonna pull the oil pan back off. That means I'll have to get me another gasket for the oil pan, but that's all right, you know, trying to save the engine. So I'm going to look at the oil pump, and also while I'm in there, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bearing caps back off and check all the bearings again. And because understand that you can have low oil pressure, maybe no oil pressure due to bearing clearances, but I think it's more a problem with the oil pump and maybe the tube, the oil pump pickup. So we'll see. I'll be getting back into it in a couple of hours, and I'll probably go ahead and post this short video to update and get back with you if any progress is made. Thank you for watching. My Jeep out.